Kenatum so inga pa sakantikon Garo News Channel onaram saksona simana kuborang ko operating pa angarik marak tar December ni 6 tarik budparsal dasanis kangpa kuborni khata bisongrang ko operate chinam Don Bosco College awareness program ko ngatam Dalu ni bersi chisni ongga pa michik bisa ko sootanina mande saksa ko mam Tikrik kila zolo mande saksa ko ma sinaman gizaga pa mande sakkani goe kalangam ampatio kisan mela ko ngatangam Apspa ko ragal cinagata agata ke sangma Lok Sabha da biam. Salantini gata-gata kuborang ko kena sunaman nagata subscribe kabo ya channel ko notification ko on kai donbo. Kosa ko proyek kemen kata bisurang ko talbate porewnang skanam. Don Bosco College awareness program ko ngatam. December ni dok arosti tarik rang Don Bosco First Purpose Association Tura unit ni gata pekat kepa bos turang jekai samju or wanda kepa bos turang ko cakhalani chi maida kepa nang sakyani ko mandena rabana gata matnachem warang ni vidingo chatro chatirang na agan thalati onagata awareness program ko salgani na Turani Don Bosco College Higher Secondary section ongatang aham ya awareness program ko association ni secretary Roger Benny Esang Mani Delani chi ongatang aharo ya program ko ngata niyo Health and Family Welfare Department ngo dungpa DEIC ni psychologist aro counselor Nomita Kesangma advocate Twinkle Disira association ni vice president Dipu and Marak association ni advisor David Seth Marak aro association ni president Hilarious Seth Sangma gemek sakrchas ni chatro chatirang na dengtang kata bisongrang opang chake agang thalateu nang aham ya program ko aba chingatan yo Don Bosco Higher Secondary Section College ni Principal pada Joges Bisangma remsak soni khatarang ko aga nangingon pikat gepa bosturangon ichle dongchina gata chatro chatirang ko didiang aham aro menggepen kobor dalu university ni onggepa mechik bisa ko sootanina mande saksa ko remam Adita sarana skango dalu zolo donggepa chanda para songni bersi chisni onggepa mechik bisa saksa ko ka sanenggiza take sootaniyo jak dongani geman South Carolina azani police rang ta sugre songni bersi kurekkani onggepa beamster ar marak menggepa mande ko remahang Kobor ko nani gatade chanda para songni bersi chisni onggepa Grand Chira M Marak Riyanggepa December 1 tariko antang ni secondary school leaving certificate SSLC selection test porekka ko sinagata riyanga onin noktangona sokang pulkuja ai ngani December ni bri tariko South Gadhus azani police rang siachi badi khaani ko manso wa hachem endi ba ya mechik ni manggisi ko wa apsan prungo sni baji mango chaipani songona dakanggepa da sugre zoni burung griponi ko sama na hachem ya mechik bisa ko drait lekani jaman soote galahani police rang chanchit pen ba dos takpa mande ko sandina gata ba chingaha aro wandaken December ni dok tariko Dimapara ICP ni in church dos takpa beamster ar marak ba bim ko da sugre songodongpa uni nokuni ko remnagata manahani wiataham dos takpa mande ko remani jaman Bakmara Women Police Station na remangaha aro yani vidingo mukordoma ko segatahani ba police officer ang kuborna paragataha ya mechik bisa ko khasanang gidakke soote galahani gemen zolo songdoeng pa manderang aro dengthanang thang dorang uko sootaniyo jak tongpa manderang ko tharak kerem china tabi thoking achim ane neknagat damat nam aro menggepen kubor tikrik kila zolo mande saksa ko ma sinaman gizagpa mande sakkani goe galangam riyangpa sombar atham ni chet baji mango ma sinaman gizagpa mande sakkani mekang thangthang ko khatepen ba tikrik kila zolo donggepa dotongre songni ningson ensang ma menggepa mandiri nokkona riyange uko khasanang gizakke goe galangahani kubor naham Kobor ko nani gatare sombar atham ni chet baji mango ningson sangma mi chamanen ba bersi sambau ningthak ki donging achem aru wa somayo ranggatek mekhang khatip gepa mande sakkani wa biaponare bai wa mangni rabat gepa silchidare chi uko gowe kalangaha aro japmano uni getok koba matsram gepa bostu chi rage ke wa biaponi khatangaha ya mandirang uko suot na skang ya mandini de panti aro de mitskang ko ba nokoni ongkat cha china kamakin na tahachem Ya asal ni vidingo nokni mandirang Monggobar prungo sa Tikrikila Police Station na kubor taha. Aro Monggobar prungo police rang ya mandeni nokkonari yange ya asal ni vidingo sengsandi ni ya ham. Anda kiyong ingon yanda ke dos script ya pa mande ko kasanang gizake sot kalanga hani geman Tikrikila ni Nokma and Gaunbura Association raken zegala taha aro dos takpa mandirang ko taraken rim chinagata police rang ko didia taham. Yanda ke dos kri mande ko so ote galanira jolo mandirang ni thome songdonga acha ni ko so jeng onga ta gta onga ha aro yakam ko chingara kenje galingam mekang chi ya zorango yanda kapa asalrang ong thai jana gta dos takapa mandirang ko tarak kenrme nanga gta sastirang ko china chinga didi ingani Nokma and Gaunbura Association ni convener Walseng Ensangma paragata ha aro menggepen kubor ampatio kisan mela ko ngatangam Mongovar salo Southwest Garoos azani District Horticulture Office aro Agriculture Technology Management Agency ATMA nangremen ba kisan mela ko ampatio ongatangaham aro ya mela ko ngatanio District Horticulture Office ni gata game ge chagaparang na gama gianio zakhalgapa asilrang aro chong siata ni samrang ko swalio nangzulaham ya kisan mela ko ngatanio Southwest Garoos azani ngodonggepa dengthanangthang songrangoni game ge chagaparang bakorangin ba antang-tani game ge mangepa bosturang ko palnas naro mandirana misok nagata sorang ko manaham ya kisan mela ko mamong sorkari ni ragat kepa skim rang chomotan Mission for Integrated Development of Horticulture MIDH aro Soil Health Card ni nengo ungatanga aro ya mela ko ngatanio game ge chagaparang sanongai giza dengtang department rang ba stol rang ko done bako rangaham ya kisan mela ko ngatanio Southwest Garoos azani Deputy Commissioner CH Ramakrishna mongsonggepa sokgepa onge jenmana agan prakangingon game ge chagaparang ko dengtang pales me chai giza apsan nangreme padeng chiwalani ko dakchinagata didiangaham antang ni janggi thangani gadang ko nambatat nagta dengtang department ang baksa nangreme kam kalchina game ge chagaparang ko aro producers group rang ko didiangingon antang ni game ge mangepa bosturang ko nambate badeng chiwal nag managta MBDA MSRLS NRLM aro I team rang baksa agan rikchina didiangaham agarsak ni dengtang biaprangon nekna maningpa COVID ni getarokom Omicron ni gemantalatani ko nangingon COVID iskuni partikelkani ko warachakna don geman yamrang ko jarak chinaro tika suku gejagpa mandirang ko tika suwe rachina geta Southwest Garoos azani Deputy Commissioner didiangaham aro menggepen kubor apspa ko ragal china geta agata Lok Sabha au dabiang Rianggapa Soni Baro Nagaleno aselonge sakchibri ramram mandirang sota koma nanija mano yamong songpa ning nekaniaro rakpegpa niam Armed Forces Special Powers ekora galanangani National People's Party NPP MP agata kesangma Mongobaro aganaham Meja Lok Sabha 0 hour ni somayo aganingon Nagaland ni Mon District ko sakchibri ramram mandirang chelchakpa dor ni jakko bobordor ani poten ba chadrapa niyo sota ko manahang yan namen rasong gribiani aroba matnanga ko manakragpa kamungam salgro saladamo andakpa asalungan yan skangpa ongja banga asalon yarakpa AFSPA ni asal banga ramram mandirang sota ko mansuminga ani NPP MP agata sangma aganahang yan yam ko chelchakpa dolna onani aselan ramram mandirang khalake sakhnatani ko thlektra ako aro so ote galako maningani aru yan nithoani ongja unigman yako ragal chinagata angni party ni gata molmol linga ongja endiba salgro salaram ni mandirang ni phalo agan ningani thura MP agata kesangma aganahang endakpa asal patanggaman hazagni brsyoba Manipur ni imparo ongangaha Jion sakskna batplen ramram mandirang sota ko manaha jen yamkon ragal chinagata Manipur ni bersih korukchet onggepa Airom Sarmila bersih cidokna kengkeng okumo chakpele tabia hachimani sangma aganaha Nagaleno misilple asalongani jaman apspa ko ragal chinagata Meghalaya adok ni Chief Minister Conrad K Sangma aro Nagaland Chief Minister Nipu Roy Mangsom Maro da biang aha wa mangna agreba banga dorangan ya ek koragal chinagata rakken tabitok kaha aro ya koragal chinagata da biani ya chango black batinga hani nekat nagata matnam Aspa yan mandirang ko tom-tomat nagata amsandina remnaro gonagata Indiani salgro salaramni dambri adok rango chelchakapa dona dengtamanca ongapa niamongam Indo-Myanmar sima ario gapa Nagaland Mon district ko gapa oting songo Nagaland odonggapa dolsa army unit songni mandirang ko bobor dorang ani masishetin ba chadra pe gowa hachim Jion sak chibri ram mandirang sota ko mana hachim Salro salarama adokrango boboda ke chagat gapa dorang ko bonat nagata ya aspa ko rechachis ko sotponga cheto ragaten ba chelcha gapa dolna bel ko na hachimni niknagata matnam
Srimati Akdat Sakmanji.
Thank you so much, Chairman sir. I had submitted for an adjournment motion, but I'm thankful.
Please come to the text.
Yes, sir. So on the 4th of December, a very unfortunate and condemnable incident took place in the village of Oting in the Man district in Nagaland, where about 14 civilians were shot dead by the armed forces in a so-called counter-insurgency operation. So this is not the first time that an incident like this has taken place, where innocent civilians have had to bear the brunt of the draconian laws like the Armed Forces Special Powers Act. It also reminds us of an incident that took place in Manipur in 2000 in Imphal, which is also known as the Malom massacre, where over 10 civilians were shot dead, and it prompted a 28-year-old Irom Sharmila to go on a 16-year-long hunger strike. So yesterday, various political leaders across party lines spoke about this issue and condemned it. Even the Home Minister gave a statement regarding this incident. He informed the House that an SIT will be constituted in order to probe this issue. But I also believe, sir, that it is time that the elephant in the room be addressed, which is that the Armed Forces Special Powers Act be repealed.
Thank you. So,
Sir, please give me 30 seconds. It's a very, very important issue. Sir, I would like to quote a poem by Maya Angelou, just one line. I quote, I come as one, but I stand as 10,000. So this incident has been condemned by every possible student union from the Northeast, be it the Lotha Student Union, the Khasi Student Union, Northeast Student Union, Naga Mothers Association, Manipur Women's Gun Survivors Network Global, Alliance of Indigenous People. My own political party, the NPP, has condemned it, including our
Sunita
Chief
Daggu.
Minister. Sir,
please conclude.
Sir, just one more. Sir, even the Jeevan Reddy Committee had, it had recommended that this act be scrapped. And therefore, sir, on those lines, I would like to say that, ever since in the Northeast, there have been procedures where the armed forces within themselves can address these issues, and a lot of prosecutions have taken place.
Madam, 30 seconds is already over.
Sir, please, just one more minute,
please
one more
cut.
second. So, sir, I would just like to say that the reason why AFSA was enacted in 1958 was to ensure that insurgency be stopped in Northeast, but it has not been able to do that. We can clearly see that insurgency has not been helped because of the enactment of AFSPA, and therefore, instead what it has done is it has caused civilians
Yes.
to be unfairly tortured, raped and killed. And therefore, I take this opportunity, sir, not just on behalf of my party, the National People's Party, but also on behalf of the people of Northeast, that this act be kindly repealed.
Yanangko sandar prni koborora abaya katam soinga pas kanti ko matela kemeknan prengnam aro salnam salantini koborang ko kena so nama nagata subscribe kabo ya channel ko aro notification ko on kai donbo.